Hello friends, Introduction to Mathematical Modeling. This is a very small topic. We'll see 2 to 3 practice problem on Introduction to Mathematical Modeling. The moon is about 3,84,000 km from Earth and its path around the Earth is nearly circular. Find the speed at which it orbits the Earth, assuming that it orbits the Earth in 24 hours. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Basically, mathematical modeling is dealing with the branch of mathematics wherein you solve day-to-day or scientific problems using mathematics. Now, in this problem, let's suppose this is the Earth as shown in the diagram and moon is revolving around the Earth. So, path of the moon is circular. Now, this moon is about 3,84,000 km from the Earth. So, for this circular path, radius will be 3,84,000 kilometers. Now, we need to calculate circumference. Now, we know that for a circular path, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now, in one orbit, how much distance the moon covers? The moon will cover the distance which is equal to the circumference of this circle. Hence, we'll apply the formula for circumference, that is 2 pi r. Hence, it would be 2 into 3.14 into 3,84,000, which will give us the answer as 24,11,520 km. Now, this is circumference of the circle. That means 24,11,520 km is the distance which the moon covers in its one orbit around the Earth. Now, in the question, they have asked us find the speed at which it orbits around the Earth, assuming that the orbit takes 24 hours, the moon takes 24 hours to complete one orbit. Now, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So, speed of the moon will be distance upon time, that is 24,11,520 km divided by 24 hours, and that is 1,480 km. Now, it is kilometer per hour. Hence, speed of moon will be 1,480 km per hour. If it's asked in the problem, then you can convert this speed into meter per second also. Moving to next problem. A family pays rupees 1,000 for electricity on average in those months in which it does not use a water heater. In the months in which it uses a water heater, the average electricity bill is rupees 1,240. The cost of using the water heater is rupees 8 per hour. Find the average number of hours the water heater is used in a day. First of all, we'll write down what is given in the problem. Now, first thing which is given is a family pays rupees 1,000 for electricity on average in those months in which it does not use the water heater. So, usual electricity bill per month for that particular family is rupees 1,000. Now, next thing which is given is in the months in which it uses a water heater, the average electricity bill is rupees 1,240. So, electricity bill with the average electricity bill without water heater is rupees 1,000 and average electricity bill with water heater is rupees 1,240. So, can we calculate that how much money on an average is spent on the usage of water heater? Yes, it would be rupees 1,240 minus rupees 1,000, that is rupees 240. Now, what is this rupees 240? 240 is the average amount per month which is spent on the usage of water heater. Now, we know that the cost of using water heater is rupees 8 per hour. So, we have the cost per unit, that is cost per hour, and we have the total cost which is spent on the usage of water heater. So, we can calculate the average time. So, average number of hours the water heater is used in that particular month will be 240 upon 8, that is 30. So, we can say that in that particular month for 30 hours, on an average for 30 hours water heater was used. Now assuming there are 30 days in a month, so we can calculate per hour usage of the water heater for that particular family. So 30 divided by 30, that is 1. So we can say that that particular family uses water heater 1 hour daily in all in the months in which it is making the use of water heaters. So ultimately in mathematical modeling, what we are doing is, mostly there are word problems, and in these word problems day to day scenario is given, and you are supposed to solve that particular scenario or that particular puzzle using the concepts of mathematics, that is using the model of mathematics. So this is a very small video in which where I have covered sample problems on the concept of mathematical modeling. You can solve few more practice problem in upcoming videos. Thank you.